Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming the first week of December 2020. So it's Christmas time. Everything starts now, all the Christmas kits until the third week of Christmas, or Christmas week actually, and then we use a New Year's Eve kit. But from now on, it's all about Christmas. So I'm starting this season with a Pink Christmas from Nicole Alexia Designs. It's a beautiful B6 size kit with all of your full boxes, some headers here, the half boxes, 3 half boxes on this page, and then you have more half boxes, labels, and you have your functional sheet over here. So little things, headers, labels, more of the washi strips, your habit trackers, flags, checklists, and the last piece of this kit is the date covers, icons, scripts, and the washi. Now the washi is not wide enough, or the length of the washi is shorter than my insert, so we're gonna do some operation on the washi. And I'm also bringing either a wonton in a medium washi or a simply gilded lace one. I'm not sure yet which one will match best, but probably the simply gilded one. And I will bring all of the stickers from my personal stash. So without further ado, let's get to this. So I just white out my sidebar, and I had to do a little bit of an operation with this kit. Like I mentioned before, the kit is a B6 size, so the washi that comes with it, the washi strips that come with it, are not as tall as my sidebar or as the usual kits, so I had to just cut some pieces of the the 2 washi strips that come with it and make a single line. As you can see on the screen right now, it's just a little bit of more work, but it does look good. It looks really good. So I use the smaller I usually use the bigger size washi, but because this one has 2 the same size, I just complete the last bit that is missing with the second strip of wash. I do hope that makes sense. I have no idea if that's making any sense. But anyway, the kit is absolutely gorgeous. It's a soft pink kit with the silver foil, and it just matches so beautifully. You do have some dashes of color with the the gray in some of the full boxes, but it's just it is a beautiful kit. And if you have the opportunity to get it from Nicole Alexia Design, I would definitely recommend it. And yes, I know it's a B6 kit. I don't know if she has another format of this one, but I do know that she had it in a B6 size. This was purchased when I was still on a TN B6 back in the day. It was a long time ago. Anyway, I used also Simply Gilded lace washi. I think it's one of the 2 or 3 lace washes that she released. It's a very busy design, but for this spread, it really did match, and it really made it pop. I used all of the date covers. I usually don't tend to use date covers, but these were just too pretty to pass. I think it just made the spread look so much better, opposite to if it wasn't there, if it was just the normal insert dates. So I think it was a good idea to use the date covers this time around, and I'm really happy on how it turned out. So this week for me was an exciting week because I got to open my Coffee Monsterz Co advent calendar, and you see that throughout the week. I did make a boo-boo, and I opened all of them up to the 12th day today. So instead of going, so the calendar was, you would get a card to say when you were supposed to open the little treats. And I didn't read the calendar. I didn't read the card, to be honest. I was so excited. So I didn't read the calendar, and I just opened from day 1 to the day 12, each consecutive day, instead of waiting the dates that Helen decided that it would be a good idea to open them. So yeah, I was just so excited, and I'm really, really happy that I did purchase the advent calendar. It's absolutely beautiful. I love all of the items. I really, really do. Anyway, it was also a good week, a very long week, a very tiresome week. We're really ramping up with work. End of the year, everyone needs to get things approved and all of that. So it's a little bit complicated. So it has been um, a week that has had a lot happening. Not that I could do anything about it, but a lot of meetings changing and all of that. Anyway, I put down all of the full boxes and the decorative washi headers that came with the kit. And again, I usually don't use the headers as much, but I think this kit really needed all of the things, and it was absolutely beautiful to use them. It made me really happy. Anyway, Monday I had Coffee Monday. The little icon with the coffee machine is from Papershire. Papershire. It is a freebie a digital freebie that she posted on the Facebook group that I printed and cut for myself. Worked from home. The cute cat, and I adore this cat, is from Fox and Pip. All shops will be linked down below, or at least the mention of the shop name will be down below. And I absolutely love that cat. And it was perfect for this kit. It's like on the nude um, tone color, and I really, really think it was the perfect match for the kit and the vibe that I was going for. I got some Happy Mail that day, and I got a cover for my B6 Stellology. And it's pretty much one of the last purchases that I've made. I'm not purchasing a lot anymore. I'm on a soft freeze from any purchases. If you don't know what the planner freeze is, um, there's a Facebook group about it as well. It's a 365 days freeze challenge. The person that came up with the idea is called Holly from Dash of Plans on Instagram, and the Facebook group is called 365 Freeze. So if you're interested to know, just join the group, and basically is a freeze on all planner related spend. I'm on a soft freeze. I'm not canceling my sub boxes. I canceled one sub box, and I'm not going to renew any sub box that might expire, like cloth and paper. But I'm definitely not going to be purchasing anything for the entire of the year. So Simply Gilded's gonna have to take a step back. I love my Simply Gilded, but I'm going to definitely be keeping myself accountable and not buying all of the things. Enough is enough. Anyway, I got the Happy Meal on Monday, and it was midnight, and I had roast chicken for that day. Tuesday, work from home. I took a long bath that day, and I marked it down with a tickle pink planning girl. I also did some things related to my game, and I watered the plants, and I used to mark water the plants. You see in a minute. I use this cute icon or emoji from Helen from the Coffee Monsterz Co. And I absolutely adore the way I layered it on top of a flag. I really do. So I might be doing that more often because it fit just perfectly, and that makes me so happy when an icon is not too big and it's not, it doesn't clutter the spread. So I was really happy with that. I had pizza that night, which was really good as well. Wednesday I worked from home, and it was the first day of the advent calendar, which was the first day of December for American time or Canada time. So I waited until the Wednesday to actually do it. It was the day first, and so happy. I will be doing an unboxing of the calendar on my YouTube channel as well, but that will be going up in January. I'm not spoiling anything to anyone that didn't receive it yet. It was clean leaders again, and I uploaded my haul. I'm not posting a lot of my hauls on IG. I'm not promoting that I'm uploading my hauls, but I am uploading my hauls. So if you're watching this, please be mindful that every Wednesday Australian time I do upload the haul, and if you want to watch it, I'll be more than happy to have you. I called my mom that day and marked it down with icon from the Graceful Planner. It's a clear sticker, and we had hamburgers that night. My husband cooked hamburgers, and it was absolutely delicious. On my Thursday, I worked from home, opened the calendar day number 2, which I shouldn't have, but I didn't read the instructions. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I noticed that there's a spoiler Facebook group about the calendar that Helen made, and I'm like, oh, she didn't post the day 2 today. She must be really busy with school and all of that. And then I noticed the same pattern throughout the other days, and I'm like, oh, maybe I should have read that thing. Anyway, I opened on that day. Water plants, used again the cutest little emoji ever. Did some things regarding my hobby, and I also changed my bed sheets. I've been so busy and so distracted and so ready to take a break that I've been slacking on house chores. I really am. I'm not happy with that, but it just happens. Anyway, Friday was finally Friday. I used 2 washi strips from the kit, two washi headers from the kit to make a background, and put down the finally sticker from Moki. I really don't know the name of the shop, but it will be linked down below. And I love that sticker. It's so adorable. Worked from home, opened calendar day number 3, which I shouldn't have. Cleaned the litter trays and added another haul that I filmed. You will see that I'm marking the calendars by I'm marking the days that I'm opening the packages with a cute little emoji, countdown emoji, but it's actually the seal that came with all of the little bags, and that is just so appreciated because you can actually use the packaging as a decorations kind of thing, and the seals to mark down on your planner that you open the advent calendar on that day, which day you were opening, and I'm really happy with it. Saturday I slept in, opened my advent calendar, again used the washi as a background, had some groceries delivered. I did a big shop of groceries, and I also did all of my social media or YouTube related activities on the Saturday. So I did a voiceover and I uploaded a plan with me to go live on the Sunday. We roasted a pork loin, which was absolutely fantastic. And again, I marked down some things that I wanted to do for my game on that day. Sunday, I slept in, opened another bag of the calendar, cleaned the litter trays. I filmed this plan with me that you were watching, which I appreciate, by the way. Water my plants, and I've also called my mom. I'm not marking down as often and as much how I when I plan or when I have my planning sessions, because I usually tend to have them every day, and on the weekend I just catch up on trackers and all of that, as well as I film my plans with me. So that's my usual. If I'm putting down that I'm filming a plan with me, it means that I planned and caught up on everything from my week. And that's the spread, guys. Oh my god, I'm so proud of this one. It's so pretty. I am absolutely over the moon. It is just everything. I'm really, really happy. The silver foil, the colors, the grays, the pinks, it's just perfection. Again, it's from Nicole Alexia Design. I don't know if she has it in her shop or not, but if she doesn't, beg for her to bring it back because it's stunning. And I'm really happy how it turned out. Everything matched, everything was so smooth, and I'm really, really happy with the result. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. If you have any questions, please don't be shy to ask. I'll try my best to help you. Don't forget to subscribe as well and hit the bell notification so YouTube can advise you when I post a new video. Stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands. Love you, lottles, and I see you on the next one. Bye!